What's going on, guys? BryceCrispy94 here, bringing you another miniature painting video. In this one, we are doing the D&D Collector's Series Tomb of Annihilation Ras Nsi. So, let me blow this up for you guys. Anyway, this is D&D Collector's Series from Gale Force 9. They're 3D printed models that they package. The Yanogu we did a few months ago was from this. They're really high quality models of characters you normally don't see in the Nolzur's line, so that's why I like to do them. Got some paint on my finger from painting earlier. Anyway, so here's what he's gonna look like. That's how big he'll be. Little read up there. You guys can pause that if you want to read it. This is one of the characters I really liked from Tomb of Annihilation, so when I saw this figure and it was on sale, I was like, yes please. So we're going to crack it open here, show off what it is. It is going to be like an assemble. Then I'm going to have to prime it and then paint it, so that's cool. Oof. Here's his bubble wrapped parts. Box. "2017 Wizards." So yeah, he's on some sprues. I'm not gonna break the sprues off here. I will do that with my cutters and then file him down. Very cool looking though. There he is with his flame sword, his snake body, and there's the stand he will be sitting on. He is a Yuan-Ti Malison. If you guys don't know what that is a snake-like race, Yuan-Ti. Yuan-Ti. I always say Yuan-Ti, and I'm not sure if that's correct. But Malisons are there's Yuan-Ti purebloods, which have human legs, and then the Malisons have the snake-like legs. But yeah, we will go ahead and get this all trimmed up off cam. I'll be back to show it off once it is put together. Alright guys, I am back with Ras Nsi all assembled. Oop, my Alexa just went up. And primed. Nice little super glue all over my finger. That was an awesome experience. It's all over my hands. The bottle kind of exploded. Anyways, yes. So, if you're wondering why there's different color primers, the way I spray paint, I have them on my Citadel handle here. You can make these or you can buy one. That's really nice, but it's held down by rubber bands. Strap a bunch of minis on it, spray paint, and then I usually just take some gray liquid primer that I have and, finish off. So that's what we did there. Sanded up the bottom because it was a little rough. Anyway, yeah, let's go over the paints and then we'll get the paint. So, I'm going to try and imitate the actual look of Ras Nsi. Ras Nsi, that is such a hard name. So for the scales along the tail here, they are going to be done in Rust Monster. That I'm going to possibly darken up. I haven't decided yet. The overall skin tone and middle scales on him are going to be necrotic flesh. I have bright gold for the golden armor around the neck and the sword handle. Silver dragon for the sword. Abyssal black for the black wrappings around on the torso. Skeleton bone for the wrappings on the arms and chest. Then for the fire on the sword, I'm going to be using these three colors here. We have Angelic Yellow, Dragonfire Red, and Fire New Orange to help build the flame on the sword. So that's should look really cool. Then we have a nice Castle Gray for the ground, and then we will give it the ground a nice wash with probably a multi wash to imitate some green, maybe a lighter gray wash as well. Then possibly I might take the Fire New Orange and do some dry brushing on the scales here. We shall see. but I guess we'll find out. So, enough talking, let's get to painting. Alright guys, so we are back with Ras Nsi. I still don't know how to say that. You'd think I would. Here it is in its complete shape. Here's what we were going for. We were going for the look of the box art, since that is accurate to the adventure. And I really think I kind of pulled it off. This is the first time I ever painted flames, and well, I really enjoyed how they came out. I did a black wash over the believe I used necrotic flesh for that, and that turned out just wonderful. I really like how the straps that come down came out. It's kind of hard to see. You can see it really good right there, but I did do a light dry brushing of a lighter orange. I did the Fire Newt orange over the Rust Monster orange, and got a nice kind of two-tone-esque almost. The gold on the bands, silver on the head, the eyeball. I don't know if I can get that to... There you go. There you can see his little red eye sticking through. The ground also turned out very well, in my opinion. Man, my light is very bright today. Let me see if I can fix that. Ooh, that's even worse. Ooh. There we are. Okay. But yeah, a nice military shader over the gray on the rocks gave it kind of a moldy look. You can see it down in there as well. But all in all, super happy with how this figure came out. This is the Tomb of Annihilation Collector Series from Gale Force 9. Just get it off the stand there. Kind of get a nice little close-up. There you are. But that's going to do it for this one, guys. If you are enjoying these mini painting videos, go ahead and leave a thumbs up on the video. Leave a comment to let me know how I'm doing. Share the video if you like. But always, have a good day, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.